Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the president, inventor, and founder of a growing system called Torpedopot, where we grow your food for you. We've already harvested a pound of carrots. We let them grow through multiple growth stages. The first growth stage was purely, we wanted the tops and a little bit of the bottoms. The second growth stage, we want our midterm carrots. They're not finally fully developed, but they're getting there. And we took over 3,000 seeds and put them in 10 planters, and they grew our food for us. 3,000 seeds. Guys, this right here is a Torpedopot. It grows your food for you. You put your plants in and your seeds in, and it grows like nothing you've ever seen before, and it grows it perfectly all of the time. I supplement, that's all I do. With an organic supplement, I do nothing else. I get perfect food all of the time. Are you listening to me? I don't walk outside and see bite marks and all this stuff on my food. I don't have that problem. I don't have that problem, and I don't want you to have that problem. Different foods grow in different seasons, so you have a lot to learn about that. But as far as perfect, healthy food, I don't have that problem. And I want to teach you how never to have that problem again in your life. As a matter of fact, an average family spends about $24,000 a year on their food bill. $24,000. If they got a Torpedopot, it will feed them for the rest of their life. You need to eliminate that bill. $24,000 just to eat? Are you kidding me? Why are you letting this injustice take place? Take power over your own money and get your own planters and learn how to grow your food and eat the way you're supposed to be eating. Torpedopot will get you there. I'm very confident that our food will beat anything on the marketplace. It's the healthiest food in the world. Why? Because we don't grow it. We let it grow itself. So we took 3,000 seeds, put them in 10 planters, which means 300 seeds in each planter. First harvest, they yielded small microgreens, and they were so delicious. Second harvest, yielded mid-sized carrots. We're going to do a third harvest, and the final will be the fourth harvest. But they'll get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger as I thin them out, I thin them out, I thin them out, I thin them out. Let your Torpedopot grow your food. You probably could never ever do this in the ground without a huge investment. With a Torpedopot, you use over 90-something% less water than traditional gardening. Not only that, but you get nutrition right at your doorstep, and you get to eat what you want when you want it. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye. It's good, guys.